Okay guys, so I want to show you the Dolores one that I just got. So as far as I've heard or that I know, I think you can get this in more than one place. So I got it at Epic Universe. I got it at Cosme's wand shop, Cosme Acajor. But I think you can also get it in Islands and Universal Studios. I'm not 100% on that, so don't quote me. But I know for a fact you can get it at Epic Universe and Stella Nova, because that's where I actually saw it, like with my eyes. So let me show you. So first of all, they're all supposed to come with a map. I don't know why some of them they didn't have a map, so the lady was kind of like she didn't know why they didn't have the maps. Maybe people took them, so she added it in at the last minute. Now these maps are updated. They originally only had Hogsmeade and Diagon Alley on them, but now when you flip it over, it's Ministry of Magic. So it does include Ministry of Magic now for Epic Universe. From what I've heard, now all the maps are like that, not just the ones you buy at Epic. So because all the ones can work in more than one place. So let's look at this. So then we have like this, it's kind of like a little lace kind of like, I'm not sure if you guys know what a doily is, but this is what it reminds me of. Maybe that's like too old school for some younger people, but that's exactly what it looks like. It's probably what it is. So the Dolores wand is actually pretty small. So the story behind her wand is that it's small not because she looks small, but it's small because she lacks in personality, and her wand just came out like that. So that's like the story behind Dolores's wand, is it's small because she has a lack of personality. So the reason why I bought this wand, because I do always, I've always thought she was annoying, but the reason why I bought the wand that belongs to Dolores is, number one, because I like the simplicity of it, but then again, it's like it has like all these little round little edges, which I really think are cute. And then I like this pink gem right in the middle. My favorite color is pink, so that definitely influenced my decision on buying this. I just liked it. I liked that it was compact. I liked that it had pink on it. I like the color of the wood. I like the darker wood. And yeah, this thing, it's so small, and they usually are longer. So if you get a different one, it's gonna be longer. But this thing, it fits in my bag, and then I brought my bag here so I can show you how it fits in my Loungefly. And I just put it back in the box just to show you guys. But originally, like, this is where I put it, and like I don't even have to push it. Like, it's just in there in the back. It's just there. So I'm not sure if you can see that because there's not too much light in this room. But yeah, it's just there, and it's not even squished or anything. Like, it's not. And then I can just leave it in there. I don't have to worry about like leaving it in my pocket and then it snaps or whatever. But it's so compact, it even fits in some of my fanny packs. So that's the number one reason why I got this wand, was because it was so small. I prefer the smaller ones when you're there for like a while, or even if you're there for 2 hours at the park. You don't want to hang around with this thing in your hand, first of all, because it might fall or it might break or it gets scratched or whatever. But then when you get on rides, you really can't have it in your hand. So that's why I bought this one. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. There's really nothing else to show. The wand is originally 60, I think it was 67 or something like that, which was what it was. But with the pass holder discount, we paid like 61 or 62, I believe. Don't quote me. But yeah, you do pay a little less. So that's the good part about it. You get a discount. And then yeah, I bought it in Cosme's wand shop, and yeah, so that's about it, guys. So this is the Dolores wand. And then when Edwin gets the one that he wants, I'm not sure which one he's gonna get, but whenever he gets his, then I'll show you that one. And so yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog or in the next unboxing. Peace.